Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore a WhatsApp backup on the Poco C61. Alright, so let's begin. So, I just installed my WhatsApp to show you the whole process, so let's get into it. Okay, in here simply select the language. In here again, click on agree and continue. This green button, now allow to send the notifications. Now you need to type your phone number right here and verify it, so that's what I'm gonna do now. So just give me a second, please. Okay, I am almost done. Okay, it has been successfully verified. Okay, and now let's click on continue, allow, and allow all. And now, as you can see, we have looking for backups, and now we have option to restore our chats. Also below we have the time, how long ago the backup was made. As you can see, in my case it was 20 minutes ago. Also, if you don't know how to create a WhatsApp backup, on our channel we have a video when I'm showing you how to do it. So if you want, you can look for it. Okay, below also we have the size and the account on which backup was made. Also remember that if you want to restore your chats right now, you won't be able to restore it in the future. So once everything is done, simply click on this green button, restore. Now the process has started, as you can see. Okay, and now let's wait until it gets to 100%. It shouldn't take much time. Okay, and now as you can see, 10 messages restored. Your media will restore in the background. So let's click on next. In the profile info, simply type your name in here. And also if you click on this green plus button, you will be able to add your profile photo. Okay, in here I'm gonna click skip because I don't need to do any action in here. Okay, and now as you can see, all of the messages, including the photos and the videos, have been successfully restored. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.